2024 has never been a better time to start a garden. People started to do this in the beginning of 2020 when COVID hit, but now I think is even a more crucial time point to start your garden. Even though it is winter, it's January. Why? Prices. Prices are still very high. Who wants to pay $4 for a head of lettuce? Or $5 for something that you want to buy at the store when you can grow it yourself for much cheaper. Second, it can also help to even help with depression and anxiety because it helps give you something to do, to something to look forward to. And I think that is also important because gardening is therapeutic. Even when you do fail, it is therapeutic and you are able to get something out of it even if you are a brand new gardener. Third, it gives you control. Control over what you put into the soil, what you want to get out of the soil. You're not putting in herbicides, insecticides that are harmful. Maybe you have an organic one, that's perfectly fine, but things like that, it allows you to have control over some of these factors that you otherwise wouldn't have if you're just buying them from the store. You can control how much fertilizer, how much compost, etc. You're able to do what you want to put into your soil so you're able to be healthier. So that is another point about why I would start a garden now. Also, it gives us something to enjoy and look forward to, alluding back to that one point I just made. It gives us something, more purposeful. Even if you have a full-time job and you're not able to tend to the garden for too much at a time, too long at a time, then just grow basic crops, low-maintenance crops, carrots, kale, lettuces, etc. Things that don't require a lot of maintenance, a lot of pruning, and etc. Also, there is a large gardening community, so subscribe if you want to become part of mine. And there are also many hundreds of channels probably out there on YouTube and other places that will help you to any gardening advice, etc. And like one right now I have is build your raised beds now. Now is the best time to build your raised beds. The wood is cheap right now. You can build this raised bed here for $25, and I'll be doing a video on this in probably March or April, so I encourage you to again subscribe to see that. But that's just a quick overview why I personally would start a garden right now and why I think it is the best time to do so. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you actually start getting into gardening yourself if you haven't already.